In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Obsidian. Highlighting is perfect for drawing attention to key ideas, action items, or quotes, and Obsidian makes it simple with a quick markdown trick. First, open Obsidian and head into the vault where you keep your notes. If you're just getting organized, create a new folder from the left sidebar so your work has a clear home. Keeping related notes together now will save you time later, especially as your vault grows. Next, create a new note inside that folder. Give it a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find. You'll be typing directly in the editor, and everything we do here uses plain text that Obsidian formats for you. Now, type your notes as you normally would. When you reach a word, phrase, or sentence you want to highlight, place 2 equal signs at the very start of that text. It should look like this as you type: 2 equal signs, then your text, with no space in between. That no space detail matters because it tells Obsidian exactly where the highlight begins. To finish the highlight, add 2 equal signs again at the very end of the same text. In other words, you're wrapping the content with double equals at the beginning and the end. The result looks like this in the editor. It's your highlighted text. In live preview or reading view, Obsidian will render that as a colored highlight. If you're using a theme, the highlight color may vary, but the effect is the same. Your important text pops. A few quick tips to make this smoother. You can highlight a single word, a short phrase, or a full sentence. Keep the opening and closing double equals on the same line as the text you're highlighting to avoid breaking the formatting. If the highlight doesn't appear immediately, you might be in a mode that shows the raw markdown. Switching to reading view or using live preview will display the highlight. Also, if you accidentally add spaces between the equal signs and your text, remove those spaces so the syntax stays tight. That's all there is to it. Open Obsidian, create a folder for organization, make a new note, type your content, add double equals at the start of what you want to emphasize, and add double equals again at the end to complete the highlight. With this simple technique, you can scan your notes faster and keep crucial information front and center. Try it a few times in your next note, and you'll have it memorized in no time.